Hey guys, wanna know how to change your art style in Ghibli AI? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and simply type in ghibliart.ai. This should direct you to its home right here. Now, in order to start generating, just simply select try for free or go to the top right side and then select dashboard. Now, just simply upload an image by clicking on the left side right here. Now, once your image is uploaded, you can see prompts right here. Now you can change the prompt to whatever you like. So in order to change style, we can just write in another style in the prompt. And once you've written the prompt, you can simply select the aspect ratio and then select generate Ghibli image. Tick the captcha and your generation will begin and your image should be generated in a minute or so. And that's it. It's super simple. You can just change your art style by just changing the prompt. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.